What's up, YouTube? I have this Vizio TV. So the problem is I was playing for super long time. It's power on itself, and then when you turn it on, you only have a white solid color on and nothing on the screen. Then I reboil the main board and it start working back. But everything works perfect right now. But whenever I play or use it for a long time, it get overheated at the back, right here, where the main board. You can even feel how the plastic get a little bit melted. So what I'm gonna do, I will take out the back panel and drill a lot of holes, symmetric holes, where's the main board placed, so we will have extra ventilation. Also maybe install extra fan. I saw it on YouTube, some people done it, so let's give it a try. And my model number of TV I will show you right now. And my model number of TV is right there, as you can see it. So let's go ahead, take out the panel and drill the holes. So right here we'll just drill multiple holes, maybe I don't know 40 of them, just like that. Alright, so right here, if you touch this heatsink, it's very hot. I don't know what this black tape is for, but I will keep there. And right here you can see the panel with the black tape too, so I will drill multiple holes right there. Right here you can see it is heater plate, so let's concentrate all the heat, but this ventilation in my opinion not enough, so let's go ahead, take this piece apart. Alright, I mark the holes, just right there will be enough. Let's go ahead and drill it. Alright, one side done perfectly, looks good for ventilation. Now I will flip it and clear more around there. Looks like this. Let's go ahead and drill more to clear it. Take your time. Looks something like this. Perfect for me. Alright, this is the final. Looks pretty good for me. So it's the back. Alright, so I find 12-volt fan from PC. I went with a tester, check possible connectors, where to plug it, and it won't harm nothing. So on this board right here with the tester I find plus and minus 11.5 volts, and this is 12 volts. So pretty cool. When you plug it, starts spinning right away. But the problem is TV is in standby mode. It's off. Let's power it on. Backlight is on. Fan is on. What we're gonna do? We'll drill a hole in the case, install this right next to the fan, and it should work. Just plug it plus and minus. Be careful with wires. Once I make sure everything off when you solder or modify it. Alright, let's go ahead and install the fan with wires. Alright, looks like this. I decided not to put a fan. We'll do the next project because at 12 volts from the board I don't trust the connection. So let's go ahead and test it like this. So I don't know who created this paint on the radiator. That is not even, I don't know, aluminium. So we'll just scrape it off, see how it works. Let's go on temperature. So after like 1 hour cleaning it with a blade, the heatsink looks like this. I'll use some sandpaper and clean it out. So after it looks like this, let's plug everything back and check the temperatures. What's up guys? How's coronavirus? Making a video right now about this Vizio. So after peeling out this stupid stuff, I don't know what it is. At heatsink, I don't know how to spell it. I don't know. I'm using my TV every day. The panel is pretty hot, actually burning, but I have no problems after that reboil with technically Xbox 3 Rings of Death technology. Working good. I will try, I know, to put a fan. I find some connections. I will put it to video. It's my project. So I don't know, everything running perfect. Stay safe with coronavirus, guys. Click like and subscribe.